How do you know if the supplier is reliable? And if you got a lot of orders, how would you send it to the supplier? I'm gonna keep it super simple, okay? Private suppliers are really good, but they sound scary because you gotta go find them, right? If you're a beginner right now, don't worry so much about the operations, more worry about getting sales in first. When you've got 10 orders, then you can worry about that kind of stuff. It's the same with taxes and company setup, all this kind of stuff. If you've got money coming in, all the other problems can be solved. The biggest problem, if you have like 50 sales right now, is getting more sales. That's the biggest problem you have. Like if you aren't doing good numbers right now, the biggest problem you have and you should be concerned by is getting more orders. That's the thing. Like you shouldn't worry about anything else. The biggest concern you have is just getting more, okay? So that's what you need to really think about, okay? That's what you need to really think about. That's the number one thing that you need to do right now is just get more and more and more and more and more and more. Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.